Thorne Research, Buffered Sea Powder Review. Description: Dietary Supplement. Foundational. Immune support. Gluten-free. Suggested use: mix 1 scoop with at least 8 ounces of water 1 to 2 times daily or as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. Warnings: Tamper Evident, use only if bottle is sealed. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. If pregnant, consult your healthcare practitioner before using this product. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.